During your trial, you will work closely with your Nevro HFX care team to make sure you achieve the best pain relief possible. We will be in contact daily to evaluate your pain relief and adjust your program settings as needed. Go ahead and grab your phone and open the HFX app. First, I want to give you a quick overview of the home screen. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see the stim on-off button. As you can see, your device is currently on. In the middle of the screen, you will see what program is currently running, and below that is the Change Program icon. Next, you see the Start Assessment icon, where you'll complete an assessment daily to track your progress throughout your trial. Remember, you will get reminders daily to complete an assessment during your chosen assessment window. You will know you're in your assessment window when your Start Assessment icon is yellow. Remember, if you have not taken your daily assessment, you will get a reminder to complete an assessment. Now, let's walk through how to complete a trial assessment together. On your home screen, tap Start Assessment, where you will first provide an overall percent of pain relief. You will start with your finger on the 0% and slide your finger from left to right along the circle of percentages until you reach the desired percent of relief. To progress to the next screen, tap the arrow where you will rate your current pain score. You can select a number from 0 to 10. If you have more than one pain area, you will enter a pain score for each individual area. Remember, we're only tracking the pain your physician placed Nevro HFX for. Once you have documented your pain score, tap the arrow to progress to the next screen, where you will note if you have had any change in your activity level since starting your trial. Next, tap the arrow to progress to the next screen, where you will note if you have had any change in your pain medication. Last, you'll tap the arrow to complete the final question and note if you had any improvement in your sleep quality since starting your HFX trial. Once you have answered all the questions, please tap Done to save your assessment. Below the assessment icon, you can see the battery level of your temporary device, and if your temporary device is connected to Bluetooth. One important thing to note is making sure your notifications are turned on through the Menu tab. This will allow you to get reminders, such as when your temporary device has been turned off, has low battery, or when to complete assessments. At any time, if you receive an alert, please reach out to your Nevro HFX care team.